Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Now I'm with our class from 3 Teratai. So today we are going to discuss our section A for Pentaksiran Sumatif 2. Ya, kenapa tiba-tiba auto senyap? Tak adalah. Okay, so we are going to look at the first question. Okay, a clock is set to ring every 15 minutes, whereas another clock is set to ring every 20 minutes. If both clocks ring simultaneously at 6:30 a.m., find the time at which both clocks will subsequently ring at the same time again. Okay, for this one, there are many ways to do the calculation. Okay, but over here you are going to use HCF. Higher common factor. Okay, so what did the information that I have over here? The first thing here that we are going to take up is 15 minutes, the first clock. The second clock is 20 minutes. So we are going to have the highest common factor for 15 and also 20. So over here, if you look, you are going to use what? What number will satisfy for 15 and 20? Yes, 5. So you're going to get over here is 3 and 4. So can have any number that satisfy for 3 and 4? This one for highest common factor, we must have a number that satisfy every number. Okay? We cannot do one number there. Okay? If LCM, yes. Until we get 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the highest common factor that we have over here is going to be 5 times with 3 times with 4. So 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 4, 60 minutes. Means that both clock will simultaneously ring at the same time again after 60 minutes. So if the first ring over here is going to be at 6:30 a.m., so it means that after 1 hour or 60 minutes is going to be 7:30 a.m. That's gonna be our answer. Yay. Yeah, betul. I know some of you said, can we do 6:30 for first clock? 6:30 plus 15 minutes plus 15 minutes plus 15. Can. Isn't it? Second clock, you are doing 6:30 and then you are going to add up 20 minutes and then add up another 20 minutes until you have the same time for both of the clock. Also can. Okay, but this one, we are going to use our HCF. Can class? Okay, next. So sorry this one is Form 1 and Form 2 syllabus only. I already told you, isn't it? For our section A here. A piece of wire with a length of 100 centimeter is used to form into shape of a cube. So, just imagine, you have a wire. The length of the wire is 100 centimeter. Okay? You are not going to cut the wire. You are going to form it into the shape of a cube. What does it mean by a cube? Kubus lah. The properties, yes, semua sama. So every length, the width, the height is going to be the same. Okay. So the cube, we got a volume of 343 centimeter. Okay. So what can we find from our volume? What can we find from the volume? What does it mean by volume? Length times width times height. So we know that for our volume of our cube here, you are going to have length times width times height. So I didn't have the length, I didn't have the width, I didn't have the height. So we know already that our cube is going to be, everything is going to be the same. Cannot see ya? Tak nampak? Saya nampak pula. So why did I use the same? Because I already asked you just now, the length, the width and the height is going to be same. So that's why I'm using x, x and x here. Isn't it? Can? Did we have our volume just now? Yes, 343. So just substitute over here. 343 equals to x times x times x. You're going to get x cubed, isn't it? If I want to find my x over here, what happened to our cube here? We bring to the left. Cube root. So find for me cube roots of 343. 7. So now, you know already you are going to have the volume, the length, the width, the height is going to be 7 centimeter. Can class? Okay. So, the question is not asking for the length, the width or the height. The questions, the length lah. But this one is going to be the remaining wire. From where? From 100 centimeter. How many is used? How to find that? So, this one you have to remember from your cube here, you are going to form in a net. Dia punya hamparan. Faham tak? From this shape, you are going to have in the form of 6, 6. Is it this one? No, one more. One more. Right? You can have any more. Okay, anywhere. Okay. So I got that one. So you must have how many faces there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? Okay. So if you are using what? If you are using the wire just now to form, isn't it? So you are going to have everything here. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So how many 7 you got here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
12, isn't it? 12. There, your friends count already. You are going to get 12 times by 7. So, the wire that you are going to use is 84 centimeter. Just now, the length of the wire you have is 100, isn't it? So, can I find the remaining now? You are going to minus. So 100 minus 84. 16 centimeter. The answer will be day. Can class? Okay, next. Kejap. No, I think you no need to what? No need to copy. Just need to understand first. To copy that one later, you go back. Tomorrow you go holiday, right? Tomorrow you holiday, you view lah. So we are going to save time. Cikgu jangan laju sangat. Kak, kita nak bincang pula kita punya mind test. Kalau tidak nanti seminggu, 3 minggu dah tak bincang. Okay. Boleh Boleh Can Okay, number 3. Raju, Salim and Tim share some money to buy a shop lot in the ratio 2:7:5. Tim contribute 70,000. Okay, I stop until there first. This is going to be ratio. Okay, so who did we have over here? We have Raju, we have Salim, we have Tim. So in the ratio, this one you must follow, which is Raju is going to be 2, Salim is going to be 7. Just take the chair, go there, and you can sit down. After this, you are going to take back the chair to its place. Okay? Tak nampak, kesian. Saya rasa... Okay. What did we have in our question, class? What did we have? Team, given over here, team contribute 70,000. So, where is our ratio for team there? 5, right? So, how come from 5 here become 70,000? Divide lah, 70,000 divided by 5, you are going to get? Yes. So you can have over here 14,000. Means that, can we find for the Raju and Salim share also? Not share lah, the contribution. Yes, by times by 14. So can you find for me for Raju? So 2 times 14, you're going to get 28,000. For Salim, can I find for Salim? 7 times 14, you're going to get 98,000. Okay? So, from our ratio, it's given to us one of our friend there, team. So, we are going to have the relation there. So, we can find the contribution money from Raju and Salim. Did the question ask for that one? Not yet. Now, we proceed. Okay. 5 years later, they sold the shop lot at 400,000. 5 years later. Okay, 5 years later. Okay. The profit. Okay, the profit was divided in the ratio of 1:4:3. Who will get 1 there? I don't know. Yes, in the ratio there, we have our RST. So means that our profit also, you are going to get Raju 1 parts, Salim 4 parts, and Tim 3 parts. So, how did we want to find the profit first? You are going to plus everything here first. Because this is the contribution money, isn't it? How did you calculate profit? How did you get profit? The value that you are going to sold or to sell minus with the money that you have by the properties, isn't it? That's the profit. Not the 400 is your profit, isn't it? The question here said that they sold the short lot at 400,000. So that's why we are going to find the profit first. Many of you didn't find profit. Straight away from 400,000, you divided by 1 to 4 to 3 there. Okay, now, can you tell me how many of money did who? Raju, Salim and team contribute? 28,000, 98,000 and 70,000 plus together. How many? 28 plus 98 and plus 70. 100? 196,000. Okay, they sold the shop lot for 400,000. So now can I find the profit? Yes. How much of profit? 204, isn't it? This is going to be the profit. Now from the profit, you are going to find, okay, not all together. The profit was divided in the ratio of 1 to 4 to 3. Calculate the profit obtained by Raju. We are going to find only for Raju. Where's Raju portion? 1 only. So how did I want to find the portion of Raju? How come 28? 28 no need again. You are going to find the profit here is 204,000. The ratio is going to be what? Raju, Salim and team is going to be what? 1 to 4 to 3. So means that the total here, you are going to have 204,000. Can you understand? From 204,000, the profit, they are going to divide it in the ratio. Raju got 1 part. Salim got 4 parts. Team got 3 parts. From the profit, can I find the Raju, how much Raju got? So, how many of that? 8 parts, isn't it? So, from 204,000, you are going to find for the Raju here, you are going to find 1 out of 8 times with 204,000. So, berapa? 25,500. This is going to be Raju profit. Okay. You carry check. Okay. Okay, girls, you carry check. Find for me Salim. By using your calculator lah. 4 over 8 times with 204,000. 4 over 8. Come again? Salim berapa? 102,000 for Salim, isn't it? Okay, for team, 3 over 8 times with 204,000. 76,500. Okay, now we want to recheck. Is it, if we plus together Raju, Salim and team profit there, you are going to get the total profit of 204,000. Is it correct? Can you understand? But we no need to find all 3 of them lah. You just need to find only for Raju. I know everybody here didn't minus to get the profit, isn't it? Okay? Can I proceed? Okay. Next. Solve the following inequality. So, what must I do first? First thing first. Come again? Solve. Yalah, of course we are going to solve it. How to solve it? Yes, okay. First thing first, if you have a fraction, if any linear equation, this one linear inequality, whenever you have a fraction, you are going to make it into a only equation. Kalau ada pecahan, tu ada pecahan kan? Kita nak hilangkan pecahan tu. So how to make the fraction disappear? Bawa naik atas. You are going to times or to left side here with 2. Siapa main paper plane ni? Okay. Ambil. Okay. So, if left side you times by 2, right side also you are going to times by 2. Same like the method that Ying said. She going to take 2 to the right side. So it's going to be times all together. Same only. Okay. So what you are going to have over here. 2 and 2 here. Finish. So for this one you are going to expand. So the question that you are going to have over here is going to be 4 minus 3x more than 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 times 2, 4x. Can you understand? Can, class? Okay. Next, what happened? We are going to group. One group. 6x? We got 6x. Either you want to bring x on the left or x on the right. It's up to you. As long as they are going to be together lah. We are going to group it. Okay. So, faham. So, means that, okay, for this one, I'm going to bring 4 to the right side and 4x here to the left side. Can? Okay. It's up to you. If you want to bring 6 to the left side, also can, no problem. So, we are going to have different x lah. The position of x. Okay, now, my x is going to be negative 3x. Positive 4x bring to the left, you are going to get negative 4x. Am I right? Okay. 6. 4 here on the left side, we bring to the right side, you're going to get minus 4. Can, class? This one, some of you, not all of you lah. Some of you will do mistake. Why? Positive and negative there. Okay. Negative 3x, negative 4x. Over here, you will get 7x, isn't it?
Yes.
How come 7x? Negative 7. Not negative and negative positive ke, sir? Ayo. Okay. Negative 3x, negative 4x, you are going to get negative 7. Unless, if you are going to get like this. 3x minus negative 4x. Yes. This one we got plus, isn't it? This one you are going to get 7x. How come 1x? Yeah. Cikgu. Relax, cikgu. Relax. Okay, so negative 7x more than 6 minus 4, 2. Okay. What happened next? Kau dapat sini pun dah nampak dah jawapan dia. What happened next? We are going to bring negative 7 to the right side. When we move negative 7 to the right side, what happened to negative 7 there? Misconcept. Negative 7 cannot be positive. Why? Just now, apa 4 bring to the right, how come become negative? Now negative 7 bring to the right. How come cannot be positive? Come again? Yes. Bila ada X, maksudnya dekat situ ada dua operasi. Two operation there. Times dengan negatif. So, kita akan ambil times lah. Kan kelas, yang ini negative 7 times dengan X kan. So, if I bring negative 7 only, you are going to have what over here? Times. Times become what, class? Thank you. Divide. The negative will be remain. You cannot change it. Can, class? Unless, if you have, this is going to be your basic only. If you have negative 7 plus X, we are going to bring our negative 7 here. Yes. You are going to get what? Negative 7 become positive 7. Faham tak? So, one more thing. If I bring negative 7 to the right side, what happened to my sign of the inequality there? Yes. Remember, the sign of inequality will be changed side. Okay? Flip lah. Maksudnya dia akan tukar arah tu. Bila apa? When we are going to times or divide with negative number. Times or divide with negative number only. This one crucial. Why? You are going to use this one if you are going to proceed to Form 4 in science stream. You are going to take your additional mathematics. This basic you have to understand. Sebab it will be useful. Tapi bukannya belajar maths, belajar yang ni. No. What I mean that this basic you must conquer first. So, what I'm going to have over here, when we bring negative 7 to that side, you are going to get X less than negative 2 over 7. That's why your answer here is going to be C. Ni pun ada juga. Ada orang telefon saya, cikgu, jawapan ni salah ni. Pelajar saya dapat X lebih besar. Jawapan cikgu salah. Tak apa, jawab dulu. Orang lah. Takkan dia panggil saya cikgu. Tak apa. Biarkan rahsia. Okay, can class? Can? Can class? During exam memang akan dapat panggilan macam-macam. Sebab the teacher that are going to be your pengawas there is not mathematics teacher. Then when you our school lah hari tu. Lepas tu pula budak pergi dekat dia, cikgu ni salah ni jawapan ni. Cik Faizal, salah lah. Tak apa, jawab dulu. Nak tengok betul ke salah. Yang mana siapa bukan kelawak? Siapa kata kelawak? Jawab je dulu. Okay, next. Nama saya ni. Okay, Faizal bought 7 kilogram of mango and 3 kilogram of papayas for 44 ringgit. Yang ni ada kesilapan sikit. Apa? Yang ni sepatutnya nama Reza ya. Reza? Yalah. They are going to be 2%. If you look at the Malay one, Reza membeli kan? Okay. I forgot to change the name there. Okay, Reza bought 9 kilogram of mango and 2 kilogram of papaya for 51 ringgit. Okay, the question. Calculate the total price of 1 kilo of mango and 1 kilogram of papaya. Cikgu, before we answer this one, we need to go to the market first. Because we need to know the price. Okay, so this one you must do what first? What must you do with the question number 5 over here? LCM. Lepas tu, Omri tanya balik kat saya lepas tu. Ask your friend lah. Anyone got an idea? Who got right this one? Macam mana awak buat? Wow, so lucky. Okay. Okay, I repeat again. This type of question you are going to be asked, but in form metric form 5. This one you are going to transform it into the matrix. But for your level, you are going to solve it by using 3 methods. Can use 3 method. Bukan kata kena jawab guna 3 method ni. What? Cepat. Clue. You can have apa tu? This one is going to be linear. Linear into unknown. You can have what? Alamak, saya lupa lah. Dalam bahasa Inggeris pula saya lupa. Penghapusan, penggantian. Substitution and also substitution. Kalau penghapusan is elimination. Cikgu, kata berapa ni? Elimination and substitution, and also the third method is going to be graph. You can use either one. Nampak sangat lah aku kena cakap. Okay. First thing first. You are going to substitute. What did you have over here? Mango and also papaya, isn't it? Same goes to Reza here. He also buy mango and also papaya. Sama tak? So I must do what? I'm going to substitute. The mango here I'm going to have for X. The papaya I'm going to substitute with Y. So now I'm going to make Faizal first as my equation. 7 kilo of mango. How did you want to write it into equation? 7 kilo of mango. 7x. Isn't it? Okay, so for Faizal, you are going to have 7x. Sorry. 7x for Faizal, plus how many kilogram of papaya did Faizal bought? 3. So you are going to write 3y. Good. 3y. How much of money did Faizal pay? 44. So you're going to get 7x plus 3y equals to 44. That's the first step. Second step, you are going to look at what? Reza. Okay, Reza bought 9 kilogram of mango. So we are going to write it as? Yes, good. 9x plus 2 kilogram of papaya. So you're going to write 2y. How much of money did Reza pay? 51. This is what you are going to have first. So, up to you. Either you are going... yang ni pun tak dapat pun cikgu. And then substitute it into... that one is going to be substitute. And then elimination... itu pun boleh. Itu elimination. That's why I say to you that you are going to have 3 methods to solve this one. But in Form 5, you are going to have matrix to solve this question. That one matrix, Form 5, sabar. Jauh lagi perjalanan Okay. Okay, so which method you are going? Okay, we are not going to do what? Graph lah. Graph tak nak. So, have 2 method. Which method you are going to use? Elimination. Okay, so if you are going to eliminate, okay, your friend said she choose for elimination. Tadi lupa elimination. Okay, so elimination, you are going to decide either you are going to eliminate X or you are going to eliminate Y. X. Are you sure X? I think Y is easy. Because 7 and 9 I have 2 times and then nanti dapat lebih besar. So I'm going to choose Y here. We are going to choose Y. Okay, if you are going to eliminate Y here, you must make it into same number there. So how to get same number? 3 and 2 there, right? So what is the number? It's going to be 6, isn't it? So means that this first equation, this is going to be second equation, kan? The first equation, you are going to times by 2. Why times by 2? Nanti kamu akan dapat 6y kan? So, the second equation, you are going to times by 3. Kamu akan dapat 6y juga. So, from first equation, kita akan dapat first equation 7 times 2 you are going to get 14x plus 3y times 2 6y equals to 44 times 2 you're going to get 88. This is going to be your from first equation you are going to get third equation. Okay. Next. The second equation, we are going to times by 3 here. So when times by 3, so 9 times 3, 9 times 3, 27x plus 2y times 3, 6y equals to 100, 153 for our this one, times by. Okay, so this is going to be your fourth equation. Because you're saying that you are going to eliminate y just now. So if you are going to eliminate y, means that you make the y is going to be the same. So you can eliminate. If not, cannot. Okay, what happened next? If you look at our, we are not going to look at first and second equation anymore. Why? Because first equation, we have come to third equation. The second equation become fourth equation already, right? So you are going to focus on third and fourth equation only. So, which one you are going to minus to get? 6y. Of course, 6y. The third equation and fourth equation, which one you are going to minus with which equation?
The fourth.
I'm going to get fourth equation minus with the third equation. Why? It's big, right? Yeah, it's more big. If you get third equation minus fourth equation, you are going to get minus lah. So better kita dapat positive lagi senang. Okay. So please do for me. We are going to have over here third equation. Fourth equation minus with our third equation. Fourth equation minus with third equation. Okay. So you are going to get 27x minus 14x. What do you get? 27. We are going to minus this one. Ini 27 minus with 14. 13x. 6y minus 6y. Habis lah. We eliminate y, isn't it? Finish lah, habis lah. Y tak ada, kosong. Okay, no need to write y here. 153 minus 88. 65. Now, can you see that we have only x there?
Yes.
Can we find our x now? Yes, you sure can. How?
65.
Yes, we are going to take 13 over here to the right side. So we are going to find for x over here is 65 divided by 13. We are going to get 5. That's going to be for your x.
Minggu. Baru
Huh?
dapat X je.
Baru mango.
Wow. Ini semua sekali. Bapak rugi.
Next. No, this one is I want you to know. Because this one already know, right?
Yes.
This is form 1. Form 2. Form 1 or form 2? Form 2, sorry. Form 1 or form 2? 1 there. So I assume that you already expert. Okay. Is it only that our calculation? We are going to find for y. So you can choose either first equation, second equation, third equation, or fourth equation. You are going to find for your y. Easy one, I think, is going to be first equation lah. Isn't it? So we are going to take x equals to 5. Now we are going to subs into our first equation. Okay, this is going to be the second part, which is from our, okay, I'm going to copy back my first equation, 7x plus with 3y equals to 44. So now we are going to do what? Substitute x with 5, isn't it? So we are going to have over here 7 times with 5 plus with 3y equals to 44. So 7 times 5, 35 plus with 3y equals to 44. So we can, what must we do next? We are going to take, yes, move 35 to the right side. We are going to get minus. So 44 minus with 35, 9. So you are going to have over here 3y equals to 9. So can I find my y? It's going to be 3. So what must we do next? Yes. We are going to take, because the question said calculate the total price for 1 kilogram of mango and 1 kilogram of papaya. So total here you are going to have 5 plus 3. So it's going to be RM 8 ringgit for both of the fruit. Wow. It's not about 1 marks. It's not about 1 marks. It's about how you going to conquer Form 1 and Form 2 syllabus. Even though you are Form 3, what we've been told that the exam is not going to be included Form 1 and Form 2, isn't it? But you must remember, Form 1, Form 3 is going to be related to upper form later. So if you are saying that you are not going to you are going to ignore anything in Form 1 and Form 2, later Form 3 also, and when I'm going to go Form 4, you are going to have Form 1 and Form 2 again. Syllabus. Wow. Okay, done. We finish until 9, isn't it? Okay, so I proceed with questions number 6. You are using what? This one. In the following diagram, PQR and STU are straight line. So, find the value of x plus y. So, if you look over there, what did you have over here? It's parallel. So, if I want to take y there, what must I do here? I'm going to get Niet, niet, niet. Isn't it? What? Y is 42. Are you sure? No, Y is here lah. Alternate. The angle here, alternate angle, is going to be here. Why? Nah. If you are going to have Z like this, the angle is going to be the same here and here, girls. So, did you have the angle at our Y there? No. Because of why? Because of why? Because you are going to find for the straight line at Q here, isn't it? This side is 130. Can I find the remaining there?
180 minus 130.
Good. 180 minus 130. So your Y here is going to be 50 degree. Get your Y ready. Then, how to get our X? How to get our X? By using what? Huh? What shape is this? Yes, triangle. Yeah. If I want to find my X there, means that yes. So for our X here, 180 minus 42 minus with our 50 that we just got just now for our Y. So you are going to get 88. So the question here is asking for what? Oh, find the value of X plus Y. So 88 plus with 50, we are going to get 138. So X plus Y, you are going to get X 88 plus with Y 50. So it's going to be 138 degree. Oh. Now I can see one more thing. What is it? This side also I can have my interior angle. Did you remember interior angle? What does it mean by interior angle? Both angle over here, A and B here, if I plus together, we are going to get 180. Can? So also you can find by using alternate or interior angle, up to you. Can, class? Next question. Wow. Okay. In the following diagram, JLM, okay, and JPN are straight line. Find the value of X plus Y plus Z. Okay. So, okay, I want to find triangle here first. Can you see the triangle here? I have two of the angle there, so means that I can find the angle at J there. Good. 180 minus with 65 minus with 75, so we are going to get 40. So 40 is going to be here. Can you see that? Okay. So if 40 is going to be there, I'm going to take what? Because the question is not asking what is the value for X, what is the value for Y, what is the value for Z. So I'm going to take straight away this one. What did you have? What shape is that? The blue one. Trapezium. Quadrilateral. If triangle, the sum of our interior angle for triangle is going to be 180. If quadrilateral, 360. So means that for our KLPJ. KLPJ kau. KL dengan PJ. Okay. So what we have over here, we are going to have X plus with Y plus with Z plus with 55 plus with 40, 95, isn't it? You are going to get 360. Quadrilateral. Right? So can I find my X plus Y plus Z? So you are going to bring? Yes. So X plus Y plus Z here, 360 minus with 95. Straight away you are going to get 265. We are not going to find for separately for X, Y and Z and then you are going to plus. No need lah. Straight away. Kan kelas? Yeah. I know. Maybe some of you find how to find X, how to find Y, how to find Z. Okay. Done, class? Okay. We proceed to the next one. I will stop until 10 because nanti dia punya recording terlalu panjang nanti nampak sangat orang mengantuk. Sini pun dah ada yang ngantuk kan? Sebab recording panjang-panjang nanti ni. Okay, number 8. The diagram below shows a trapezium. Find the height h if its area is 57 centimeters. Alamak, easy one. It say over here area of what? Of a trapezium. So you must find the formula of area of trapezium. What is the formula? Area equals to 1 over 2 times with A plus B times C. Isn't it? So where is it going to be A? Here. B is going to be here. C is going to be our height. Right? This one must be the parallel A and B there. So I'm going to substitute. We have the value of area here. So I'm going to put area here as 57 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, A and B there, I plus together straight away. We are going to get 7 plus with 12, 19 times with our H. See there. Right? So what must we do here? You are going to bring everything here lah, to that side to get your H. So H here you are going to get 57 times by 2 divide by 19, isn't it? Yes, that's going to be the value for your H. 6 cm. Kenapa cikgu buat senang sangat? Bagilah soalan susah. Easy, what? This question. Right? Okay, number 9. This is what? Easiest question. Wow. Okay. Given that, what does this call? Yes, universal set. Means that our number here must be more than 10. Isn't it? More than 10. Cannot be? Because it say over here more than 10 and less than 20. So means that it cannot be equals to 10. If you look over here, this one already wrong. This one already wrong. Isn't it? Isn't it? Then if you look over here, x less than 21, here already got 21, you got the answer already. Right. Only look at the universal set. Okay, no lah. We are going to look at the question. Okay, P here is going to be multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 must be from our universal set there. So our P here, you are going to have, okay, we have to do lah. P, you are going to have starting from, starting from 11, is it multiple of 4? No, 12, 16, 20. Stop. Why? Less than 21? Can? Okay, that's going to be for our P here. Our Q given already. Q dah bagi 12 and 20. So if you look over here, list the elements of Q prime. Q prime is complement. Complement, what does it mean by complement? Other than 12 and 20. That's what does it mean by prime tu, yang ada tanda kat atas tu. Kalau Q kita 12 dengan 20, means that kita tak nak 12 dengan 20 lah dalam kita punya apa? List tu. So if you look at C here, is there any 12 there? None. Is there any 20 there? None. That's why your answer here is going to be C. Can class? Okay. Nombor berapa? 10. Okay. This one you know already by using what? Pythagoras. Because this one all form 1, I think. 1 until 10 is form 1. Next, we are going to look at 11 until 20 is going to be form 2. Okay. So, first thing first. Can I find my x? By using this triangle. The first triangle is going to be here. This one. It's going to be 5. Okay, you are going to have over here is 5, 12, and x, isn't it? So if you are going to find for the first x over here, it's going to be your hypotenuse. Means that x square equals to 5 square plus with 12 square. So 5 square, 25, plus 12 square is going to be 144. So you're going to get 13 square. And 169, you are going to get square root, you're going to get 13. That's going to be your x, isn't it? Okay. After you get your x there, so if you look at the what we call our next triangle here, the big triangle here. The big triangle here. The big triangle here, we are going to find for the y. But before we find for the y there, what given to us here is 15 and also 12. I don't want to find, we are going to find the total value for here first, and then we are going to minus with 5, isn't it? Because we are going to find the value of y. So from here, we are going to have 15 square minus with 12 square. So we are going to get 225 minus with 144, 81. So square root of 81, I'm going to get 9. So 9 is going to be here. So if we have total here, is going to be 9. So means that to get y here, you're going to get 4. So the question is asking for us to find x plus y. So 13 plus with 4, we are going to get 17. Can class? Ini senang. Yes. Okay, I stop here. There. 59 minutes for our number 1 until number 10. I stop here first.